In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, survival expert Mark demonstrates how to find clean drinking water. He shows viewers techniques for locating and collecting water from natural sources, emphasizing the importance of purification. Next, Mark shares tips on identifying edible plants and fruits, showcasing the vibrant biodiversity of the Amazon. He also guides the audience through building a temporary shelter using available foliage, illustrating essential skills for protection against harsh weather conditions. As night falls, Mark reveals fire-starting methods using local materials, essential for warmth and cooking, fostering a sense of adventure and preparedness in extreme environments.